2018 Toyota Tundra 5.7 liter. That truck, man. Look at this thing. It looks different with all the different bumpers and stuff. Skid plate. Let me show you guys what we've done. Converter, more converters. So 4 converters. Then he brought his own Dirty Deeds bolt-on system. It's just the midsection. So it bolts on here, bolts on here. We didn't have too much trouble putting it in. There's the 2 mufflers, and then a Y pipe right there, and it bolts on right to the clamp over here. Tailpipe was good, easy installation, nothing too crazy about it. He didn't complain, so I think he did a good job on it. It looks good. There's the old system that was on it with the double pipe and the muffler. So we took that off and replaced it with the Dirty Deeds. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Dirty Deeds on a Toyota Tundra. Yeah, it's not loud at all. It's clean. Give it gas. It's nice when you get on it, it gets louder. It's the same concept as the Borla. Yep. Again? That's not bad at all. Oh, be careful. Again? Sound decibels, go ahead. About 101. Yeah, it's within the limit. Perfect. Go ahead and back it up.
When you say the limit, what's the limit? Like legal limit? Or?
Legal, no, like comfortable limit is around 100.
Okay, yeah.
When you peak over 105 and up, that's when it gets like, some people don't like it. You know, it's too loud.
Well, that's the thing. I mean, I put 33,000 miles on my truck last year. I spent too much time in my car to have something.
Exactly. That's just going to annoy you. Yeah, that's clean. It's a good sounding truck. Again? Let you guys hear it on the inside. But with a Dirty Deeds 10-inch setup. So they have 3 different setups, 6, 8, and 10. This is a 10-inch. It's a small company out of California. He does a lot of Toyotas. Dirty Deeds. Sounds good. That's clean. Enjoy, guys.